In this video, we will talk about the body blade and the Theracane.
Hope you enjoy!
The body blade is a unique rehab device that was originally designed as a workout tool by physical therapist Bryce Hymanson in 1991. It was later adopted to be used in rehabilitation as a strengthening device for post-surgical rehab. The body blade has a rubber center grip with blades that are made out of a unique lightweight material that uses different fibers that have been chemically bonded. On the end of the blades are rubber ends that help increase resistance and improve oscillation. The tool works best when used at 4 oscillations per second, making 270 oscillations per minute. The original tool was a little over 5 foot. Since then, they have come out with 2 other sizes that can be used for less resistance during the exercise. The benefits of using the body blade is that it helps increase overall strength, tones your body, increases balance and coordination, increases cardiovascular fitness, stronger core and muscle endurance, effectively targets muscle groups during a workout. As you can see, he is using the body blade to get an upper body workout while doing core exercises, increasing overall full body strength. During this exercise, she is using core to be able to stabilize herself while one leg is lifted up and the other arm is extended into the frontal plane. She then uses the body blade and moves through the frontal plane to be able to increase full body strength, stabilizing with the core and strengthening with the arm.
5 more seconds. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Drop.
In the previous video, you saw that the patient had one knee down and one hand down. The body blade can be used in many different positions. As you can see in this video, the patient is prone, lifting arms and legs up to be able to increase core strength. She is then moving her arms through shoulder mobility to be able to strengthen that as well as a core exercise. For this exercise, the patient goes down onto one knee and uses a supinated grip. The hand position is another aspect of this exercise that you need to be able to focus on because it targets different muscle groups during the workouts. You have supinated double hand, pronated double hand, single hand, golfer's grip, and interlocking. Most of the exercises are done in front of the patient, but for this one it shows how you can do the exercise behind the back to be able to increase back muscles and also core. You can also use the body blade to go through sport-specific exercises. As you can see above, the patient is going through a golfer's swing using a golfer's grip on the handle. He starts in the loading phase and then will extend back into the preload phase. As you can see, he is stopping at each phase to be able to emphasize the work that is being done on that area for the muscles that are targeted. He will then go back down into the load phase once again to be able to emphasize the strength of the club movement as it goes through the full range. After this, he will then extend into the end range, the follow-through part of a golf swing, rotating the hips and facing the area in which he would for a full swing. Once again, the patient is going through a sport-specific exercise. Right now he is in the cock phase of a pitcher's throw. He will then continue into the mid phase and stopping once again at that position to be able to emphasize the motion and the work that is done on the sport-specific muscles at that phase. After this, he will transition into the end phase where he will actually throw the ball. Some of the strengths of using a body blade workout is that it takes less time than a normal workout, doesn't have to be put together, can be used in alignment with other workouts that you are doing at the moment. Here are a few other ways in which you can use the body blade in different positions, hand positions, and different ways to focus on many aspects of the body.
Theracane was developed by a chronic pain patient to help relieve his own discomfort resulting from neck surgery and a herniated disc in his back. It is a self-massager used to apply pressure to sore muscles. The design has 6 different ball points, each having its own number, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These allow you to apply deep pressure massage to hard-to-reach areas of your body. It can be used in combination with daily stretching to obtain long-lasting relief. Some of the benefits of the Theracane are that it can be used from 3 different basic positions, such as standing, sitting, or lying down. It can be used on trigger points, areas of acute pain, and chronic pain. Most beneficial if stretching is done before and after using the Theracane. Make sure that when using the Theracane to keep the ball in contact with the body in order to maintain control. This prevents the Theracane from slipping off the muscle. You want to begin with light pressure and short periods of use. This is because the muscle will require a breaking period, and discomfort from use may last 12 to 36 hours. The amount of pressure that will be used is dependent on the muscle. For example, the back will need more pressure than the foot or the forearm. Pressure should not be painful, and not only is it used in patients with back pain, but it has also been used on patients with arthritis or those who have suffered a stroke or a spinal cord injury. The following is the most common method for using the Theracane. The most common method is being used on the traps, and you apply pressure downward using your right hand. The following trigger point is done on the foot, and you want to keep your right foot stabilized against the floor, and you want to press your foot into the ball for pressure. This can also be done while lying supine. The following trigger point release can be done using a chair. It requires ball number 5 on the Theracane, and as you stabilize the Theracane against the chair, you will lean into the ball and move side to side for cross friction massage. The following trigger point can also be used while on a table or chair. And you place the cane over your legs and then press out, and you can move the cane back and forth to locate points and up and down for cross friction massage along the IT band. There are many strengths to using the Theracane. 1 is that it can be used by anyone. 2 is it can be used anywhere. And 3, it can be used anytime. It gives people the independence that they want and it isn't super expensive to buy.
The body blade cost is dependent on what size of kit you get. The size of kit is dependent on how many body blades you get, the size and length of them, and whether you get instructional videos or posters along with them. These can range from $60 to over $200.
The Theracane can be bought on Theracane's website at theracane.com. It also depends if you get the original Theracane or the Max. The original is $40 and the Max is $50, or you can get it on Amazon for $30.